I was a chubby girl growing up. I was constantly teased. I was made fun of, feeling so insecure and having so many self-esteem issues. And I remember crying to my mom all the time about how I feel that I wasn't pretty and that I was fat and I was ugly. I remember my mom telling me, everyone's a flower, everyone will blossom, and your time will come. I'm the senior manager for field education at Sephora. It wasn't until here at Sephora we really started talking about random acts of beauty and how we have a moment to be a day maker to somebody. And that when somebody sits down in your chair, somebody walks in, you can change their day by simply making them feel included. Fast forward a couple more years, I became a mom, and I knew I had to change myself. I knew I had to really think about how I was looking at myself in the mirror. So I changed. I started wearing bathing suits and not worrying about what people thought, and started wearing outfits that made me feel good, that made me feel proud of myself and love myself. Even my gap in my teeth was something that everybody made fun of me growing up, and my daughter has one. And the orthodontist told her she has to get braces, and she cried and was just talking about how much she loves her gap. And I remember thinking, I'm doing my job. Because 30 years ago when I was her age, I hated it and I hated myself. And here now I have somebody that loves and appreciates all the flaws and wonderful things about her.